think it's important not to take life too seriously. At the end of the day, we're just monkeys with anxiety pulling into a rock, hurtling through space. Welcome back, guys. First camp of 2025. Me and Poppy going down the beach. 2024, huh? Wow. What an experience 2024 was. Jesus. Plenty of good memories. Plenty of good ones. But some major struggles. So, let's see how this year goes. I've got all good intentions to make it good. So, let's see what we can do. Across some farm fields today, and it's a bit muddy going, like. It's lucky I got my new boots. Got myself some scarpers. I mean, they're not looking the best already, are they? But doing the job. Hope it's a bit nicer down this beach. There's absolutely plenty of wood for tonight. Nowhere to camp, so I'm going to keep heading down. Some grassy spots down there. It looks like a shelter someone's made as well, yeah? Let's go check that out. This is really cool. Someone's put a lot of effort into this. Penny's Den. Penny's Den. Please wipe your feet. That's awesome. Whoa. Fair play, Penny. Right, I hope you wipe your feet. Oh, look, there's a guy in the corner. Range arc. Wow. Fair play, that's cool. I think you know what I'm considering right now, don't you? What do you think? There's a fireplace at the front. There's a couple of seats. I have to move some stuff about, but there's enough room to sleep in there. I think I'll do some rock pooling first and have a think. So do you know what I've realised lately? The best part about being an adult is you get to do all of those things you wanted to do as a kid. But you don't have to ask anybody anymore. You can just jump in your car and just do whatever you want. You can go looking for crabs and rock pools. You know, I've had a really rough couple of days, to be honest. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but I'm really feeling back to myself today. I feel really good. I think we got something here. Yeah, look. Wow. Starfish. Another rare sight. I'm back under that rock. There you go. So here's a look at the back of the den. Which looks like a big pile of rubbish. They've actually put waterproof sheet in as well through it. I mean, I wouldn't like to try it in the rain, but Poppy's dreams have come true. She's found her favourite. These never last more than 10 minutes with us, anything. Wow. Right, he's going for it. Try to clear a bit of space. There's room to lie. There's a big gap on this side, so I'm going to try and fill that up, insulate it a bit. Because Poppy will have to sleep outside, I think. There's not enough room otherwise. Yeah, let's give this a go. The hole is blocked up a bit better now. I've covered these a bit. Be who you are. I like it so much I've moved in. Got everything set up. Yeah. I think you just need to spend a bit of time in the place before you get comfortable with it. Because it's not a comfortable looking experience, is it? But know, the more time I'm spending here now, I feel like this is home just for the night, you know. I'm going to enjoy this. Sound of the waves, get that fire lit. Yeah, this is what I need. The fire's been lit. I've got a boil in the bag job going on, and that'll be used for a coffee as well now. This is my view from the seat. Absolutely stunning. Poppy's made herself a home. She's chosen that rock, so put a coat down for her. And it's looking very cozy in there. Don't think we're due for rain. There is like a crude waterproof sheet. Probably get a lot of drips from it, so let's just hope. And well, I could stuff my rucksack but there, can I? That'd be better. Got some gloves to try out tonight from Saviour Heat. These are heated gloves. There's a battery inside each one. It looks like so. So there's 2,200 milliamp hours in each hand. Come in a lot of different sizes. I need the extra large, I've got big hands. And yeah, when I've tried like heated power bank before, it just hardly used any electric at all. So I'm interested to see, are these going to be the same? It was starting to get chilly, but I've got a fire blazing now, so it's alright. I'll give these a go later, come back to you in the morning and let you know. I'm wondering what used to live in this hole up here. It still does. See that there? I think it could be, bats don't dig holes, do they? It's got to be some sort of flying thing. Wait and see if anything comes up now. I wonder how close this sea is going to get. I don't think it gets up here, but that puddle is a bit concerning, isn't it? Now, see that yellow? It's lichen, it is. So that is always out of the water, and there's plants on top of it as well. I think I'm roughly the same height as that. It might come up this gully. I think I'm fairly safe. Oh God, it's raining down there. Can you see it? Is it coming down from the clouds? Oh no! Well, let's see how waterproof it is, I guess. No rain at the moment, but should I be starting to make emergency plans? I can't see this being very waterproof. I've got my tent in my bag. If that sleeping bag gets wet, this game over. I don't know. We'll wait it out for a minute. It's gone a bit cold, huh? I got the chicken hat on. Yeah! Rain update. Seems to be moving out to sea. It says on the weather app it's going to be raining for 5 minutes later on. So I think that's going to be fine. It's no problem. Sea is getting quite close. I'm keeping an eye on this. Look at that dog there. I take care of you, girl. I hope you appreciate this. The effort I've put in tonight. The fire is absolutely beautiful now. I don't know how warm it's going to be in this shelter. Mine is pretty chilly. Doing a pot noodle now. Look at that. Stabbed it straight away. Such a pain, these things, right? Not good for stuffing in a rucksack. Those waves sound very close now. I'm not getting wet yet, so it's fine. Just realised I haven't tried these gloves yet. Let's give them a go. I haven't felt the need because the fire's so warm. So it looks like there's 3 settings. You've got white, blue, and red. I'm guessing red is the warmer, so let these warm up now, see what they do. So conclusion, it's the warmest part of my body right now, but it's a subtle sort of warmth. It's not hot. I don't need it any warmer than that, but they're not gonna melt your hands, you know. It's just enough it's giving out. So New Year's resolutions, it's gotta be done, isn't it? You know, new year, new me, all that BS. No, but I didn't make any plans for 2024, and it ended up in a muddle, you know. So I think you need to set yourself goals, things that are important to you. I think it's important not to take life too seriously. At the end of the day, we're just monkeys with anxiety clinging into a rock, hurtling through space. You know, just enjoy the short time you've got. You can't take things too seriously. I really want to get my finances in check this year because I've struggled with that. But I've got some plans to get it back on track and make sure that's right. And I suppose just the normal sort of stuff. Just be the best that I can be. You know, definitely get making more YouTube videos as well. I'm going to be out a lot more this year. Yeah, see if I can find more mad places like this to show you. That'll be good. Right, question for you guys. The tide is getting closer, right? But the moon is going down. Now, it follows the moon. Wouldn't the moon need to be right above us right now? I'm very confused. I never thought about it before. Answers below. Right, we're in the shelter. Packed on everything. Still quite early, to be honest, but I've been sat out there for 5 hours. Might give me a bit of a scare waking up next to this guy in the middle of the night. Poppy's nicked my bed for now. She'll be sleeping there. I think I might put an extra jumper over her. She's got her own little sleeping bag. My view from the den right now. This is the roof. That's waterproof stuff. So just hope it doesn't give in. Right, see you in the morning if I survive. Spoiler alert, if this is on YouTube, I probably did survive. So. Morning. Old Bob here has lent me his leg so I can brew up a brew. Can't get out of the sleeping bag yet. It's freezing in here. 7:10 now in the shelter. I slept right through. Stirred a few times, obviously. It's a strange place to be, isn't it? But waking up and just seeing that square hole there with all the stars behind it. It's amazing. I did my addition to the shelter.